Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1963 Alfa Romeo Giulietta SPYDER, 1300cc, 4-speed, 4-wheel drum brakes. It has a louvered hood, and this is an excellent California car that is just about finished with its restoration. Great, solid, rust-free car all the way around, if you can believe that. But beautiful, beautiful little Giulietta, newer paint, newer chrome, new interior. Just doing a slow walk around here. Excellent gaps, beautiful body fittings. As you can see, everything lines up quite nice. But these are very expensive cars to restore, and this one is really good value. It just needs a couple knickknacks, a couple weekends of buttoning up to finish the car off properly. But yeah, really good paint all the way around. As you can see, chrome work is excellent. Bumpers have been replated. Even the taillight housings, you can see there, replated. Nice wheels and tires and hubcaps. Really good paint, really good door fit. Yeah, mostly replated original chrome or very, very good, well-preserved original chrome. But super honest car. Have a look at the undercarriage photos. Really nice, really solid thing. But just needs a couple final details. Great trunk fit. Do a little slow walk around here. Yeah, these are wonderful cars to drive. Really nice stiff chassis, soft, supple suspension, great steering, suspension, braking is great. Just, the Italians during this era, they really knew how to build these wonderful cars with this early style unibody construction. Really nice windshield. It's a newer windshield. I can see the Safe View logo there. So windshield's been replaced at some point. Interior's been completely restored. Needs a radio, I think, which is included, or a blanking plate, but excellent original steering wheel. You can see the door panels are really nicely done. We've got all the hardware for all the interior. I think it was just missing the securing clips. But new carpets, new seats, a new black top is included. Still needs to be fitted, but the soft top frame is there fitted, powder coated black, and that's ready to go. Car runs and drives. We're going to take it out for a test drive and post a driving video. In here, trunk was all painted nicely, body color. Car's fitted with a Weber, and included is the original Solex carburetor and air cleaner assembly. We're going to be posting some engine bay photos shortly. I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning and detailing on that. But yeah, we're going to take this out for a drive and give you a report with a driving video. Starts, runs, steers, does everything nicely. Can't wait to get it out on the road and experience this little jewel of an Italian motor car, this 63 Alfa Giulietta SPYDER 101 model with the later, longer tail lights, with 4-wheel aluminum drum brakes, finished in this really lovely, attractive shade of red with black trim, 4-speed, disc wheels, super pretty, super desirable, and super, super solid, rust-free 1963 Alfa Romeo Giulietta SPYDER, red, black, 4-speed, Weber, 1300cc twin cam. And like I said, have a look at our driving video of this beautiful little thing. Stuff that needs completing to make this car completely finished. Just a couple knickknacks, like the soft top needs fitting. This glass needs installing for the quarter window. A couple fuzzies in the door here, stop the glass rattling. Just a couple knickknacks throughout, but you can see here it's a running, driving, mostly all together, mostly all complete car. Very well priced compared to what the seller has paid for the purchase price and all the work that has been completed up to this point. Like I said, the car is probably just a few days or a few weekends away from being completely finished. But we're going to be posting those engine compartment videos shortly. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com. Super good little investment with these low production Alfa Romeos. Very desirable open top Alfa Romeo Spider 1963 Giulietta. And it's for sale on our website right now.